Hi guys, welcome to this episode of short tutorial I'm making on this 50mm lens. It's a Yongnuo lens which I purchased online. It's an f1.8 and I'm just going to do a little quick demo on why maybe you should consider about getting a 50mm lens for your camera kit, and what the benefits are to having one of these in your batch. So I've got a 7D over here. I'm just going to attach the 50mm lens. So here's my 50mm lens, and I'm just going to take off the lid. So I've got the lens, 50mm lens, and all I'm going to do is literally, there's a red dot, and I'm going to line that red dot with the camera, and it will just attach. And now I've got my camera ready for filming and photography. So I'm going to take the lens cap off, and I'm going to take a few pictures of this, see what the quality is like at a close-up. So let's have a little go. Alright, I've got these flowers over here, and I'm just going to take a few pictures of these just to see what the quality is like. I've got my lens on, my 50mm lens. It's on manual focus, and let's take a few of these pictures and see what they look like. As you can tell from the images that I've taken, it's not bad quality. It is a 50mm lens, and I am shooting with a 7D on a really nice day, to tell you the truth. So you know, what I would strongly suggest you do is just make sure you have one of these sort of lenses in your kit. You might not necessarily use it all the time. However, if you're going to be shooting sort of close-up shots, macro shots, then you probably will need one of these one day. I've got this one which I purchased online for very little money. It's not the best premium brand, Canon. You probably want to get a Canon or a Nikon if you've got a Nikon camera, which will give you a better quality image and probably have, you know, better lens situation. But I find this is not too bad. I didn't pay a lot of money for it, and taking a few close-up shots, macro shots, it's not bad. Thank you for watching. Any sort of questions, please post via the channel, and I'll be happy to respond to anything you may have. Thank you.